What a bad boy right there, y'all. Look at that. Do all in style. Clean and classy, legit setup. That is perfection. Can you believe I'm bringing you another F450 Reserve Edition Diamond? I know you can, because on the daily, that's what we deliver. Look right here next door. Before we get started, what you know about Shelby Raptor R, that Baja bad boy. Now this vehicle right here, for us to have this on our dealership floor says a lot, because this is a competitor of ours, but not really, because they're a great group. Shelby America is Fox Holdings, y'all, delivering on the promise of being the legit offering for everything auto, just like we are. So we strategically pick what vehicles and what brands we want to utilize here, because it's kind of competition with our Indo Raptors and other vehicles. But we know that the notoriety and legitimacy of the Shelby brand is so legit. I've been a fan of the Shelby for forever, y'all, and look at that, so menacing and legit up front. So this is a video for another day, but we can get you a Shelby Raptor R bad boy. Going to review this one in completion, also coming soon. But the main goal today is this one right here, 450 Platy in Star White, 2.5 inch Fox Performance Elite, leveled on 37s and 22s. Jerome took care of this one. He is instrumental for helping us on the sales side with Wild Willies, and killed it, knocked it out of the park. 22-inch American Force Plagues, gloss black and milled. The milling ties in with the other chrome accents and the Star White so well. If it was an all black wheel, it wouldn't have the same vibe. So the fact that we nailed it, you know what's up, y'all. I love this kit. Performance Elites are so legit too, especially on the 450. Got your radius arms, car torque and sway bar with end links or ridge grappers. Now running 22s, you can run 12.5 wides. You go to 24, you're going to be stuck with a 13.5 wide, which means you're going to have a tighter space here, and of course more protrusion and more problems with clearance and articulation up front in certain scenarios. 37 on 22 is legit. It's a money setup. I'm a 24 guy, but the 22, this is the best balance for probably the majority of people. Overall, from a ride quality and aesthetic standpoint, it gives you the best offering in combination of both. Look at the Star White glistening. If nothing else, you can see how the paint is on these different vehicles. Checking our videos out. Black interior, contrast stitching, Alcantara suede in all the right places. Interior is second to none. You know what's up. We're going to promote what we believe in, and that's what it's all about. And we truly believe in the F450. Stock number here, REF 70813, 135 347. Pause here for the info. I love y'all so much. Another diamond available right now at Akins. Let's go.